Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're back and we're doing another dramatic, edgy, winged out look, and today we are going to be using one of the Pat McGrath quads. I've had these for some time and I've just never pulled them out. I don't know why. I think it's just, you know, I try to keep everything pretty simple for you guys, and I do try to stay to one palette. So today I did end up using a bronzer, but these are all shimmers and they are her special shade, so I highly recommend them just because of that. But if you guys want to see how I got this edgy look, let's go. Alright guys, so today we are going to be playing with this Pat McGrath palette. It's one of the little mini ones, and I have on the Pat McGrath foundation and concealer today. I figured we'd keep it pretty consistent. So the palette that we're using today is this beautiful palette, and I think we're going to be using these two shades here. We'll see. You know, sometimes I just go a whole other route and things get a little crazy. So I'm going to take my bronzer, and I'm just going to use this to set my primer. And also this palette is all shimmers, so we are just going to make sure that we have a little bit of a matte shade to help us pull through. So I feel like with this look I want to create a guide of the shape. I'm going to take this brush here and I'm just going to start picking up the purple shade. I'm just pressing this onto the lid and then blending it. And then taking my brush that I use to apply my bronzer and blending the edges. I almost feel like with this I should go in with the purple shade Wet. I'm going to take my Evian spray and a flat brush. And let's see what this guy looks like wet. It does definitely intensify the pigmentation. Using the clean side, it's still wet. I'm going to go into that gold and I'm going to press it into the center. I almost feel like I need to go like full-blown dramatic with this look, just because the pigment, the shade, it's all giving me these really intense vibes. I think I'm gonna have to. I'm sketching out my eye. Don't worry about it not looking neat. I know right now it looks a little crazy, but I am going to clean it up with some concealer. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye and we'll come back to see what else we do to this look. Alright guys, so as you guys saw, I made a little bit of a mess here. So I'm just going to take some concealer and we are going to clean it up. What the? Apparently I'm having all sorts of little mishaps. So I'm going to take my sponge. This is the sponge I used earlier. Let me tell you guys, this purple is no joke. This is like the devil's purple. This is like a bionic purple. I'm just trying to kind of match up my eyes. As you guys know, this one's a little bit more hooded. Alright guys, so I'm going to wet my brush again, my flat brush, and I'm going to go back into that gold color. And I'm now going to just place this really close to the lash line in the center. And I'm kind of blending this up. And again, just with the purple side, just really making sure that we're blending. Alright guys, so I feel like this look is pretty much set. I'm going to just take the purple shade and I'm going to apply it to the lower lash line just to kind of connect the top and the bottom. I'm going to take the gold and then pop that right in this inner corner. So I'm going to go ahead and apply just a little bit more mascara to make sure that my lashes look just as dramatic as this look. And I feel like I need to sharpen this, oops, a little bit more. Take a little bit of my concealer on this flat brush and I'm just going to fix this. I felt like the line wasn't as straight. Now using my foundation brush. Part of me wants to take Pistol by Sydney Grace, but I feel like I've done a little too much with that already. It's going to set right underneath my eyes where I've applied that powder. Might as well just do my cheeks, blend it down. I'm going to use my Fantastic by Marc Jacobs. For my blush, I'm going to be using this Becca highlighter. It's a highlighter, but I really love to use this as a blush because it does deposit like a little burnt coppery finish. And it does glow, so I don't have to worry about highlighter. So I've lined my lips with Makeup Forever Anywhere Caffeine, and now I'm going to take Up and Down Tan, and I'm just going to fill in this outer corners just because we're gonna go in with this. So since this is really a milky color, I just want to make sure that my lips have some dimension and pigmentation, otherwise it's not cute on me. This is Baby Brute by Fenty. This is giving me Boy Bait by MAC vibes. Alright guys, so here is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. This is definitely one of those really fun, bold looks. I wouldn't say this is something that you would wear to a 9-to-5 office job, but it is fun. And I've had these palettes for some time, and today I just felt like I needed to play with the purple. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I do upload 3 videos a week, and I don't want you guys to miss any of them. And can I just quickly show off my earrings? My friend P gave these to me for my birthday, and she's Makeup with Prissy on YouTube. You guys have seen her featured on my channel. She and I have collabed together on a few looks, but she is opening up a boutique, so go ahead and follow her on Instagram. It's ShopSiennaHope, and get ready to shop and spend some cash, guys. These earrings are from her boutique, and I absolutely love them. They make me so happy, so thank you, P. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you guys think about this. Are you guys over this extended dramatic eye? I'm not. I know. I can't help it. It's just so edgy and fun and different, and I promise you the intention today was a halo eye, but it just didn't get there, so sorry. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.